welcome back to the channel. Today we have something truly exciting to share with you. Introduce Zeno Blog Editor, a game-changing app that's about to take your blogging experience to the next level. The app is available for Shopify and BigCommerce. You can find the install link in the description. I am inside the app Zeno Blog Editor for a Shopify store, and let me walk through the process of creating a blog post for your store. First, I will click on Create Blog Post, and we are inside the editor for the blog post. Here, you can enter the title. Let me copy and paste it over. For the content, I will also copy this paragraph and paste it right here. Next, I will insert the heading. I will copy the text. In the blog post, I will click on the Add button and select the heading block like this. Paste the text to here. Press Enter to go to a new line. Insert the next paragraph. And paste it right here. For the rest of the blog post, I will copy the content and paste to the blog post like this. There are many other content blocks that you can insert into the blog post. I will click on the Add button and you can insert a list here. You can also press Tab button to open blog list. I will insert a checklist. We can check an item like this and insert a button here. Let's say click me the URL. I will enter Google domain. To edit the style of a blog, you can click on this button, and let's say I want to change it to green. We can align it to the left, to center, or to the right, like this. Next, I will add an image right here. I will upload an image. This one. We can enter the image alternative text so search engine can understand the image meaning. Insert it to here. And I can also insert product so the clients can purchase the product right in the blog post. Let's say I will insert this one. You see the product is showing on the blog post. Move on to the collection block and we can select a collection. This one. And the products inside the collection are showing. We can adjust the quantity of the products to 3, 2, or 1. Let me set back to 4. Next, I will add a table right here. And we want it to be 3 columns and 2 rows. We can type the content like this. Then I'm going to insert a divider. You see the line right here. Then I will insert an alert block. Attention, all products are on sale. Like this. I will insert a quote block. And insert a file block. I can upload a file to here. Let's say this image. So the clients can download the file from the blog post. There is the link preview that we can insert a link to here. Let me enter the Google domain. Press enter and you can see The link preview is showing like this. After finishing the blog post, I can scroll up and make sure the visibility is visible. Then I can save the blog post. Click on View button to view the blog post on the store. And you see the blog post looks like this. I can add this product to cart. And you see, you can reorder the blogs on the blog post. Let's say I want to move this product up. I can click right here and click on the up button. On the sidebar, you will find the feature image option that we can select the feature image for the blog post. We can also set the author, the blog category, and tags for the blog post. Let's say blog editor, Shopify BigCommerce. You can enable the table of contents option. So after saving, the app will auto-generate the table of contents for the blog post. You see the table of contents is showing. I can click on a heading to go into it. You will also find the cell analyzer. Let's say I want this blog post is optimized for the keyword blog editor. You will find the content analysis that you can follow to optimize SEO for the blog post. The content length is too short, should be at least 300 words, so you should add more content for the blog post. Then keyword was found 2 times, should be at least 3 times with this content length, so I will add one more keyword in the blog post content. Let's say I will add it right here. And you see the SEO analyzer updates automatically. Move down, you will find the options to set SEO title. You can leave it blank, so it will be the same as the title. We can set SEO description here. And you can edit the URL. I will change it to blogging with Zeno Blog Editor like this. You can preview the search engine listing up here. Let me save the blog post and view it on the store. Now I can click here to go back to the list. And you see all the blog posts that were created in the app. You can preview the visibility and the SEO for the blog post. We can find the blog post. Filter by visibility, by blog category, by tags, and sort the blog post like this. You can also select the blog post for more actions. Head over to the link in the description to try out Zeno Blog Editor for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update.